very many things going, and this is rotating about all around in friendships, you know. Mabeshte too. So there was Michelle and there was McKenna. They were disagreeing about this guy.
Had to be a man.
It had to be a question for you coming. You just okay. So what was happening between Michelle and McKenna? It seemed Michelle found this guy first before McKenna. McKenna came into the relationship, made them break up, but now what was happening was she got to comment that alikuwa anaacha vitu kwa the guy, McKenna anava. So the story came around that, and now it was like, who's the go here, you know, like utaacha nitava, you know. And not only that, there's another story about Ajib Gadhoni. Ajib was doing a podcast with was doing a podcast, and what was happening, what is her name? Martina. Thank you.
Her name is Martina.
Yeah. She was doing a podcast with Martina, and for Martina, they were talking about what made you think that she is not your friend, ama he is not your friend. And akasema after achane na the guy, the friend alienda akafanya cooking video. No, alienda akafanya cooking video. Like tukiachana na wewe, as in mimi niachana na mse, wewe unafaa kumchukia pia, mnafaa mwachane pia.
Walai.
I don't know. So that is what people are trying to say, people are trying to depict, but it's just the point of if we were close enough, that should not be the point. So my point and case here is, how should we handle relationships after breakups? Like, for example, Michelle and McKenna also walikuwa friends after, but now wakakosana disrespect. Exactly. So how?
A win is a win. A win is a win. You see, guys again, as I always tell you, you are the prize.
You are the prize.
It's February. You are the prize. But
no, I think girls are expressive. Guys are not expressive as girls. Hawezi pata the guy amekaa akiongelelea.
Sasa unajua vijana ni nini? Kama deal nilisil mti wangu. Mbona yaongelelea? Mbona naongelelea kuhusu story? But again, it's not a loss. It's not, but again, I don't know. We just have you need to have boundaries.
You need to understand
your friendship.
And I think
I don't think that's majorly about real ones, because labda wewe ulikuwa connect ya my future wife.
That's right.
Siwezi labda wewe ndo ulikuwa connect. But yeah, what I'm saying is, I think just have a boundary with your friends. If you have friends, know what exactly are you, because mimi najua kuna morio fulani siwezi introduce kwa mama mboga wangu. For example, that's the only love of my life at the moment. So kuna huyo juu atakuwa kiendea nyanya sana kuniliko. So unaona sama mama mboga anakuwa anakuwa best na so it's not fine. So yes, kuna hao, but I know because of reasons. So pia wewe jua because of reasons. So babies, usipende alafu utake best yako anipende juu.
I also think there are seasons, and people, like you said, people are meant to be in your life for something. For example, I am coming in your life so that we can make people smile out here. And it's a season. We might not be together forever, and you need to learn. And the art of letting go, it's actually a book I'm reading. Yes. So the art of letting go is really so you need to learn to let go, because sometimes things are there for a season and a reason. Yes.
Kidogo anza kufungua chache. And also on to another stories. Nasikia watu after watu kupendana, what next? Watu wakapoteza cups.
What?
It's just a big cup. Like up or down.
Just a big cup. So Nadia Mukami alikuwa ameenda into alikuwa ametembea, ameenda into a restaurant, alafu alikuwa amebuy some Gucci cup, and it's really expensive, as she said.
It's not the cup that you guys are thinking about. I know it's on a Friday. Yes. So
Yes. So what happened was Nadia Mukami alipoteza the cup, alafu akarudi. Unaona venye unaweza toka in a place umeacha something on the table, alafu utoke urudi. So venye alirudi akakuwa zile za like, where is it? And that is the real question. You remember me telling you there's countries where Arabic countries mostly, you'll just leave your things and then walk away and then come back and still find them there. So it questions now, which country are we in? Why are we relating like this? Like nafaa kutoka nikiacha kitu mahali naipata.
Inaonekana welcome to Kenya. welcome to Kenya.
Anatafuta nyuki lakini so kama unajua mtu
mwenye kuna bees. Yeah, bees literally biashara. So yes, but something I'll say is probably it's a song. Inaitwa
About a cup.
Gucci song.
Gucci cup.
Inaitwa Units on a Feb.
By the way.
So toward the G.
Yeah.
I
Speaking about
only
February,
yeah.
We're talking about banknotes now. Mbona gava inakataa watu kutumia
Pla-
notes? Na ikiharibika inamaanisha ishatumika, hiyo pesa imetumika. Ama the rotation, the circulation of money ndo sasa.
You know kuna kwanga na elements of zile vitu zinakwanga protected na the government. Kuna kwanga na that thingy ya parliament, money is part of it. They are the most protected element that defines a country. Sasa lakini sisi kama Team Sigo
Unatumia dollars.
sisi kama Team Sigos, CBK thank you. Kwa sababu every time unajua on Saturday nilikuwa nimeongoza tu niko hapa. Pesa 20,000 alafu kwa ni mtu alikuwa ameweka rent yake hapo. But you know, have you ever received a money bouquet and how stressful that thing can be too?
Unwrap it.
Yeah.
But it depends mwenye alifunga. Kuna zingine zinakwanga tu rahisi, imagine.
Lakini on
But kuna wengine wanatumia glue.
Yeah.
Now that point.
Alafu kuna ingine sasa it's coming now. Hiyo ni biashara ya watu CBK imecheza nayo. Manzi.
Kwa sababu actually there's a girl on TikTok who literally does that for a living.
Yeah.
She just makes money bouquets. You send her money and then she makes the bouquets for you, alafu anakudeliveria.
But squeeze I think wameka alternatives. Like I can make a G-Wagon there and bouquet too.
But someone else mwenye ali change the narrative is Eddie Butita. Eddie Butita alieka coins. So you can be using coins. Yes.
Yeah, ni vizuri.
Kwa sababu coins itadestroyiwa wapi?
But you know, initially the start of this thing ilikuwa about cards. If you remember the history ilikuwa it wasn't flowers per se, ilikuwa unaweka flowers alafu unaweka cards, like an invitation card. Sijui money walitoa wapi, so ni rose but sasa unaweka cards. So if we have like a friend thing, I have nitaweka cards ya Stacy nini, a wishful thought. Sijui kama sisi wa Kenya
ilibidi, you know, our love language nini? Money.
Mbesa. Mnaitanga aje mbesa na kwenu? Pesa. Hi, you guys. It's a community. But yeah, speaking of which, you're going to come in some few songs. But then, you know what Mbichi za Wiki are? Do you know what Mbichi za Wiki? How can you get to Mbichi za Wiki? Remember, interact with us on our YouTube platform. Mbichi za Wiki ni Kenyan songs. Purely Kenyan songs. Ziko tu hapo hivi ni Kenya mbichi kama zinasema. Yeah. Sima mbichwa ni mbichi. Yes, so please. So Mbichi, that is Kenyan songs. And pale to our X platforms tuambie pale which songs do you think should be coming up next? Kwa sababu this list here this week, man. I just want to give you a gist because the list is just fire. It's just feeling the love. Feeling the love, man.
Feel the love.
Alafu unaanza kijana mwenye ametoa hapo hivi.
Kinoti.
Mimi hata Kinoti na kuanga nimekurang. Lakini unajua
Kahuti. Ama inaitwaje?
Ni Kahuti.
Oh, Kahuti.
Kijana ukisikia Kahuti is leaf in Kikuyu. He's a monster. When it comes to Lovey Dovey, that one I'm not introducing to Mama Mboga. He knows
on a list of people not introducing to Mama Mboga.
Kahuti, you're off. We are friends, but you're off. Yes. So
yeah.
There's some beaches.
On the second one we have Laana by Father Moss. Jikamani Laana, cause enyewe kama hauna mapenzi hivi February inaweza kuwa ni laana.
Hatujui ni nini hizo unafanya.
Kipata dem na mtoka.
Mambo ni hivyo. But that Mbichi za Wiki, just a tease I wanted to give you about Mbichi za Wiki. Tutakuja in a few tujue hizi ni nini kwa sababu man, I'm just loving Feb.
Yeah.
I'm just loving Feb because Feb has an aura yenye inakufanyanga ufeel sometimes as if you don't belong but still you belong.
You belong. You don't belong maybe kama hauna mtu.
No. Watu wali si mambo hivyo hata wenye hawana.
Why do you feel you don't belong?
Tuanze therapy leo. Kusema tu nasema tu unajua cause kuna hii pressure watu wanasema ni mapenzi. Like feel the love pale via Kinoti na Kahu. Ukienda usikize hiyo ngoma talking about love. But people forget love is not about the other person also. You remember what I told you about love? I had you asking Mr. Flips what is love to him. I tend to think and I still believe and I'm still researching about it. Hallelujah.
Love is me.
It's you.
What we look from people is reverence.
What?
Reverence.
Hey, Jesus.
Reverence to mean uko unani treat vizuri, you make my hair, you give me money and all that, and we term it as love. Na hapo ndo tunakosea.
Okay.
Yes.
Lazima pesa zingekuwa.
Lazima zikue.
Hatuwezi sema gratitude, honesty,
Care,
loyalty. Anyways, hizo ndo zile vitu. I think I wanted you to clarify on what love is, because you had mentioned it before. Sasa twende kwa mbichi za wiki. You feel the love pale hivi. So tell us the list yenye inaendelea, kwa sababu hizi songs,
yes,
mbichi za wiki ni mbichi. Twende pale to some songs, alafu we coming back to playlist tuieke hapa.
kuna mtu kwanza